During ERP implementations, that is a great time for companies to take a look at their processes and find efficiencies and build a technology and business process improvement along the way. At Volt Technologies, this is one of the really big passions of mine is we don't just do lift and shift models where we take what you currently are doing and we find a way to do it in Business Central. That's not what our customers are looking for. That's not what they want to pay for. They want us to look at what they're currently doing in their ERP and finding ways to build better processes and solutions that could be a technology solution, or it could just be a better business practice along these ERP implementations. And that's something that at Volt Technologies we absolutely strive to do. Our customers are working with us to find ways to not only change their technology footprint, but also their overall business footprint. We have experts on our consulting team that come from very strategic backgrounds in both the supply chain space, the finance, the accounting space. So we know how things are currently running in various other industries, and we can take all of these learnings and build better solutions. Myself and a couple of other folks here at Volt Technologies, we've come from the Fortune 500 space, working with some of the largest companies in the world, and we're taking what we learned with these guys and we're making it available to the mid-market and the Business Central world. And our customers really appreciate the value of a better business practice along with their ERP implementation. During implementations, I typically play the role of solution lead. I can't be the solution lead on every project that we do, but I definitely participate in quite a few of them. The solution lead is entirely focused on making sure that the overall delivery is going to meet the customer's expectations, it's going to meet their budgetary constraints, and it's going to meet the timeline that we set out from the very beginning. The solution lead is also responsible for making sure that the technology that we're building is going to work. And that's a very vague statement, but in these implementations, you've got all kinds of different systems going on. You've got your primary ERP, you've got WMS, you've got retail stores, you've got e-commerce sites, you've got banks, you've got all these different technologies that are going on, and making sure that they all can coexist and efficiently transfer data back and forth is part of that solution lead's role, to make sure that we're building a solution that meets the needs for the entire ecosystem that we're building for these companies. Solution leads also participate in all of our different steering committees, making sure that our consultants and the customer team is doing the things they need to do to make a successful project. Of course, we're always worrying about the resourcing on our side, but you also have to work with the customer and make sure that you're making recommendations and sometimes pushing back with our customers to make sure that they are making the right decisions too. And that solution lead role is critical, and sometimes it's uncomfortable for our customers, but at the end of the day, we are championing what's best for them. In the long run, it turns into a very successful outcome.